Hello, Pipis. Good morning. How are you today? Once again, you're welcome to British Irish Schools e-learning platform. And I'm seeing myself, Nnewi, and I'll be taking you on grammar. My class is Year 2. And our topic is present continuous tense. Can we echo it together? Present continuous tense. Okay, I have a question for you. Have you heard of present continuous tense before? Good. But before we move in, or before we delve into present continuous tense, we need to understand what tense is all about, okay? Then we can now move to present continuous, okay? Let's read. Tense is used to indicate an action. For instance, can you observe the teacher? What am I doing? The teacher is what? She is jumping. Is that okay? So it is the tense that tells you that the teacher is jumping. So we can say that tense is used to indicate an action, not just jumping. What are you doing? You are sitting, okay? I can be walking. Good. It is the tense that will tell you if the action is taking place or has taken place or about to take what? Place. Okay. So tense is used to indicate an action, whatever action that you may think of. Okay. And we said action can be present. Present means it is what? It is occurring. It is current. Okay. Then past. It means that the action has taken what place? Like I ate before coming to school. I'm not eating now. The eating has what? Has taken place. Okay. Or present what? Continuous. That is, it is present and it's still in motion. It's still occurring. It has not what? Stopped occurring. Is that okay? So remember, our topic is not tense. We are looking at what? Present continuous what? Tense. Okay. So let's know the meaning. Present continuous tense is used to indicate actions that are happening now. I mean, what am I doing? I am making a speech. If someone should ask you, what is the teacher doing? She is making what? A speech right now, right away. Okay. So the speech has not finished. It is what? Ongoing. It is what? Ongoing. The speech is still in motion. That is to say, I'm still talking to you. And you, at the same time, you are listening to me. Is that okay? Good. So we said that present continuous tense is used to indicate actions that are happening now. Maybe you are eating, or you are listening, or you are watching television. Is that okay? Or unfinished what? Action. That is an action that is still in progress or is still in process. Is that okay? I believe we are following. Good. So let's see uses of present continuous tense. Let's see different or various ways by which present continuous tense can be applied. Number one uses. It said it can be used to express something that is happening right now. Remember, we are talking about what? Uses of present continuous tense. So one of the uses is it can be used to express something that is happening right now. Example, Rose is reading a novel. Is that okay? Someone is reading a novel. It is occurring what now? Number 2 example, he is watching television. Is that okay? What is he doing now? He is what? Watching what? Television. Okay. So this is what? One of the uses of what? Present continuous what? Tense. And it is not only used in this context. We have another use. Okay. Number 2 is it can also be used to show that something will or will not happen in near future. I take that again. One of the uses of present continuous tense is it can also be used to show that something will or will not happen in near what? In near future. Is that okay? Fine. Okay, let's look at some of the examples. She is not going to market. Okay, present continuous. It is indicating that it will not take place. She is not going to market. Remember the title said it can also be used to show that something will or will not, okay, happen in near future. Example, she is not going to market. Present continuous. Okay. Number 2 example, he is meeting his friends after school. Yes, I will meet my friends after school. Have I met them? No. Am I meeting them? No. I will. So it is telling me that it's yet to occur. That is what? Present what? Continuous. Are we together? Good. I believe we are progressing. Okay, let's look at another use. Number 3, it says it can also be used for actions that are being repeated. I don't know if you got that. It can also be used for actions that are being repeated. Okay, let's see. John and Peter are always what? Fighting. Something that is always happening. Okay, during rainy season, what happens? Constantly rain falls. So in present continuous, we use what? For repeated actions, we use what? Present continuous. Something that will definitely, it will always occur. Like today, sun will shine. Okay, by the time the day goes or breaks out, you notice that the sun begins to what? So definitely the sun will rise. Okay, so for repeated actions, present continuous tense are or will be used. Is that okay? So lastly, it can be used in question. Okay, what is question? I want to ask a question. Any sentence that has a question mark is what? Good. So let's see. It can be used in what? Question. Is she laughing? Present continuous is asking. Is she laughing? Good. Are you going? Have I gone? Am I going now? Will I go? This is a question. Are you going? So present continuous has what? Various words uses. Is that okay? So I believe you understood what it is you're taught about present continuous thing. Thank you very much for joining us. Once again, you are welcome to British Ivy School's e-learning platform, British Ivy Cares. Thank you.